everyone, my name is Dr. Shelby Green. I am a doctor of physical therapy and certified lymphedema therapist licensed in the state of Florida. I've been working with RangeMaster now for close to 1 year, and it's been a very fantastic experience, honestly. This is a very good group of people to work with. They have such compassion and understanding for the clients that they're trying to reach out to and those that they do have direct communication and contact with. It doesn't matter what your individual circumstances are, all we want to do is help. I love being able to be a part of that. I do work one-on-one with patients full-time in an outpatient clinical setting, but this is a different type of educational opportunity in connection with clients and patients I haven't been able to be a part of before. And as I said, I absolutely love it. The RangeMaster U community in particular is excellent. It's such a good forum for those who are on the path to recovery, no matter what body part it is that you're recouping from or even prepping for a surgery coming up, no matter what the circumstances are. It's really nice to be able to see such a collective effort from both the RangeMaster group and other clients who are on the forum that want to help each other out. They can answer questions, sometimes in a way that we can't answer necessarily because we haven't been through those exact circumstances ourselves. But any guidance or clarification on any type of movement or the recovery process and timeline is something that I very much enjoy being able to be a part of the whole entire journey with you. Now, when it comes to me personally as a rehab specialist, my goal in therapy is always to get my patients to the point where I can get them back to being functional, pain controlled or resolved, but to also teach them the things that they need to do and should be doing on home without me. Make you self-sufficient. And I'm always looking for different tools, equipments, educational resources that can help you get to that point. And honestly, I really feel like RangeMaster does just that. This is something that rehab specialists, generally speaking, whether you're a physical therapist or an occupational therapist, should consider looking into further, honestly, because not only while a patient or client is working with you one-on-one, can these resources be helpful to supplement what's being done in therapy, but it's also just great information to have upon discharge as well. Sometimes it can be scary to be discharged from therapy when you're flying solo at that point, and never should you ever feel like you're disconnected. You still are always able to reach out to the therapist that you've worked with, but again, it's also nice to have other avenues for education and support too, and that's something I truly believe that RangeMaster U achieves. And I really like the direction that they're going and just their purpose for motivation for really wanting to help clients. So I highly recommend this group, and I'm not just saying that just because I'm a part of them now. I really do believe in what they're doing, and I believe they truly care for the clients that have become RangeMaster members too, not only in the short term but long haul here. So highly recommend this group of people, and as I said, I continue to look forward to seeing what we do in the future.